Imagine landing in Boracay, excited for vacation, then realizing you left your backpack inside the airplane. I forgot my backpack. This is our complete journey from NAIA Terminal 3 all the way to our hotel in Boracay. Step by step, every fee, every transfer, every checkpoint. We started at NAIA Terminal 3. Always double check your terminal before booking Grab or taxi. If you don't have check-in baggage, you can use the self-service kiosk to print your boarding pass. After getting your boarding pass, follow the gate signs. You'll go through ID verification and X-ray security. Inside the departure area, there are several restaurants and cafes. If your flight is delayed, you won't go hungry. My wife's cousin is flying with us. She's been living in Japan for almost 20 years, so you can already see that Japanese influence. Some Boracay flights use remote base, so you'll ride the bus to the aircraft. Less than 1 hour, and you're already leaving Manila behind. We landed safely at Caticlan Airport.
Kasi welcomes you to Caticlan Airport. Kalapag lamang po natin sa paliparan ng Caticlan, maligayang pagdating.
Then I realized I left my backpack on the plane. I forgot my backpack, so I'm waiting from here. It's now boarding, so they have to board all the passengers before they can give me the bag. Finally, I got it. Lessons learned. Always double check your seat before leaving. Finally, I got it. Outside Caticlan Airport, you'll see transfer booths offering complete packages. We paid 750 pesos per person. And that already includes van to Ferry Terminal, environmental fees, boat transfer, van to hotel. The van ride takes around 10 to 15 minutes depending on traffic. At the Ferry Terminal, you'll go through baggage X-ray and wait for your assigned boat. You'll be given a seat number before boarding. This is the moment when vacation finally starts to feel real. After about 10 to 15 minutes, welcome to Boracay Island. More staff will guide you to your final transfer vehicle going to your hotel. We were even offered a pre-buffet voucher from Astoria, Boracay, but we had to attend a pre-wedding party. You'll pass through the mall area. This is the heart of Boracay. Most hotels are within walking distance from here. And finally, after multiple transfers, we arrive at our hotel. From NAIA to Boracay Hotel, the entire journey takes around 4 to 5 hours depending on waiting time. If this is your first time going to Boracay, now you know exactly what to expect. No surprises, except maybe forgetting your backpack.